I guess the one thing I would say is people really need to recognize what a resource DCMME truly is. When you look at the breadth of faculty expertise and faculty researchers that have been involved and are involved with DCMME, and most importantly, the students, and the energy and dedication and expertise they bring to all of the manufacturing management, disciplines, it's just stunning. And unless you really dig in deep and get to meet the individuals in person, you just can't read about it. No matter how good the website is, no matter how much outreach, until you meet the individuals one-on-one, talk to the students and get involved, you just cannot appreciate just how much of a resource DCMME really is for the university. Well, I'll leave out the names to protect the guilty and the innocent, but I guess I would say mainly in the scope of projects. So doing the manufacturing projects that I help lead with Herb, I would kind of talk to the companies and say, well, you're going to see two things. One, you're going to see more expertise and better results than you probably even can imagine. On the other hand, there's reasons we assign grades, because you don't always know what you're going to get. There are certain teams or certain students that will put a lot of effort in, and there's others that will put less effort in. That's one of the things. This is not a consulting group. We cannot go in like a professional consultant and say, we will deliver on contract these results on this date and fill it in. That's up to the students in some regards to provide what they want to provide. But on the whole, I would say that a percentage, 90% of the students vastly exceeded the company's expectations for the results. They just didn't realize, again, the expertise and the dedication that the students would bring. I remember one project, a company, it was a production quality project, and they were looking at variables like throughput and cost per product and things like that. And so we said, okay, we can certainly do those kinds of analyses. Do you have the data? And the company said, absolutely. And one student drove out to their facility and came back, and I'm not kidding, with about 3 feet of pin feed printouts. That was the data. They then spent literally day and night for the next 2 weeks to digitize that data so they could start running the analyses. We hinted to the company, I don't think though the company realized just how much time they put in literally transcribing the data into a form that they could analyze. And you walk away from that and you say, wow, I didn't expect that. I wouldn't have asked for it. I didn't ask for it, yet they put that energy into the project to make sure it was a success.